Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the top foods to eat in order to lose weight. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy lifestyle, incorporating these foods into your diet can make a significant difference. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First on our list is leafy greens. These nutrient-packed vegetables, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are low in calories and high in fiber. They not only help you feel full, but also provide essential vitamins and minerals. Next up, we have lean proteins. Foods like chicken breast, turkey, fish, and tofu are excellent sources of protein. Protein is known to boost metabolism and reduce appetite, making it an essential component of any weight loss journey. Moving on, we can't forget about whole grains. Foods like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are rich in fiber and complex carbohydrates. They provide sustained energy and help regulate blood sugar levels, keeping you feeling satisfied for longer periods. Another food group to consider is fruits and berries. These colorful delights are not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a perfect snack option for weight loss. Next, we have healthy fats. Contrary to popular belief, not all fats are bad for you. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are examples of healthy fats that can actually aid in weight loss. They help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the chances of overeating. Lastly, we can't forget about hydration. Drinking enough water throughout the day is crucial for weight loss. It helps boost metabolism, flushes out toxins, and keeps you feeling full. So make sure to stay hydrated and drink plenty of water. In conclusion, incorporating these top foods into your diet can greatly support your weight loss journey. Remember, it's all about balance and making sustainable choices. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.